In this video, we will see how to activate and install Secure Exchanges in Microsoft Outlook. To do so, you first need to install the Secure Exchanges connector. Go to the website at www.secure-exchanges.com. Select the option Download. You can then download the Microsoft Outlook connector for 2010, 2013, 2016, and 365. Note that the connector is only compatible with Windows. It is recommended to close the Microsoft Outlook window during the installation of the connector. Once the connector is successfully installed, all you have to do is open Microsoft Outlook. You will now see that the Secure Exchanges extension has been added to your toolbar. You will also notice that your license hasn't yet been initialized. You will now have to confirm that your Secure Exchanges administrator has in fact assigned you a license. Click on Recover My License and enter your email as well as the anti-robot number. An activation email will then be sent to you. The Secure Exchanges connector will automatically detect that email and will ask you if you'd like to activate your license. Click Yes. At that point, Secure Exchanges will automatically activate your license. You will now be able to send emails using Secure Exchanges.